Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at a cook set I put together using the FireMaple 600 milliliter heat exchanger cook pot. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. Here it is all ready to go in a stuff sack that comes with the stove. And in the top of it I have a stand that's for the fuel canister to kind of give it more stability and raise it up off the ground so it doesn't cool off. The sack that comes with it is pretty spacious, so you actually have room to put other items in it, such as food or anything else to kind of round out your kit. Okay, we'll open her up. Like I say, I did a review on this cook pot along with the FireMaple's Green Peak propane stove, and I'll put links to that video in the description if you're interested in chasing that down. Okay, well, like I said, I did a review, so I won't go over a whole lot with the stove. Just take off the lid, and inside it's pretty tightly packed in there. So I've got a microfiber cloth to be used for whatever you need a microfiber cloth for. I have a cup that fits in it, and it's one of the fold cups by Wildo. These are nice little cups. I've used them in other kits. I think I mentioned one time I was a little skeptical of these cups, although they are light, they are small. But actually, once I actually used them, I like them. The only problem with these, I think, is they can be kind of expensive because they're made in Germany, and oftentimes you can find a decent price, but then you get killed on shipping. But I kind of keep my eye open. Every now and then I'll spot them, maybe from a stateside vendor, where I can get them at a reasonable price. So if you're interested in these kind of cups and you're here in the States, in Europe they're probably reasonable over there since you don't have the shipping overhead. But anyway, they're real nice, and whenever you see them, I grab them because they're always nice for a kit because they are small, compact. They do work. So you can see in here, it'll nest right over the top of the that's the stove. Fits right over nice at the top and is flush, so I can get the lid on it. So nice addition. Okay, then next in it is the actual FireMaple propane stove. Like I say, I did a review on the stove cook pot along with boil tests, and the very efficient system, very nice. I really like it. This stove comes in a stuff sack, has a piezo igniter. I go over all this in the other video too, but just for review. The wings fold up. So set that aside. Okay, then part of the cook kit, I have a foldable spoon. I really like these best. They're stainless steel. They fold out and they're nice. They come out pretty long. They're nice. Find these online. I have some of them that kind of are like have wire and they clip and they fold back that way. Those are okay, but these are a lot more secure, I think. They're stable, but either one will work. But it fits in there. Okay, then let's see. Here is, well, they all come out together. It's kind of a snug fit. Here is the foil for a windscreen, and I made it pretty big and also doubled over so it's high enough. So when the pot's set up, it's high enough to block the bottom of the pot. It's good wind protection. So just foil makes a great windscreen. It's lightweight, it's cheap, compact, and easily replaced. Okay, then you got, as you say, the fuel canister nets, and surprise, surprise, in the bottom here, in the cup of the canister, actually tossed in a tea bag. You could probably get 2 tea bags in there, so everything nests. Outside that, there's not a whole lot of extra room. If you might be able to stick maybe a small sachet of coffee and cream in there, I don't know. But otherwise, with the big stuff sack, you could put everything else you need for a meal probably in it, unless it's something really big. So anyway, take this off. I'll just put this together for you. It's Pretty nice little setup here. Then you get the stand. See, and what that'll do, like I said, it'll keep you up off of the ground, because on cold weather, a little bit of warmth in this thing will increase the pressure, so it will work better. So this kind of keeps it up off the ground, and also gives you a little more stability, which I like. I know a lot of people just use these flat on the ground, but I always like to have them up off the ground if possible. Then of course the pot nests really nicely on top of the burner. And oops, can you see all that? There you go. Like I said, it's a great little setup, nice compact little kit, and I'm probably going to be using this one more than some of the other ones I put together, just because I kind of like the setup and it's really fast. So like I say, I'm really happy with the stove and pot combination. Let's see. That's about all I can think about this little cook kit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.